Thank you for that question. I was actually in pre-med at the University of Minnesota and I flunked out of organic chemistry. So the only way that I could learn locksmithing was to go to Locksmith Shop and say, will you hire me with no training? Armor Lock and Security in Minneapolis hired me and trained me. It was a great job. But up in Minnesota, it's very cold. So I froze my butt off that first year because I had all the bad calls. From there, Armor, I learned how to crack safes. Went to Lockmaster's safe manipulation class down in Florida. Then I got a job working for a lock supply company, Doyle Lock Supply in Minneapolis. From there, I went to become a manufacturer's rep, representing LCN, Von Duprin. Then I retired, and now I'm back in the lock business with Harry's. That's how I got in. My first job was keying, master keying Yale sectional GA, GB, GC keyways. Anyhow, that's what I got. Solving a problem, solving a puzzle for the customer. It's really rewarding, the good feeling I get when I've been presented with a lock that doesn't work, I figure it out and I make it work and I give them more than they expected. That's rewarding. That makes me feel good. Plus the money's not bad. I'd say the number one quality is determination. Don't quit. We fail our way to success. So the ones that pick a lock are the ones that don't quit. So I would say determination is the number one quality of a locksmith, and patience. The thing I like most about the job is people. Every time someone comes in, it's a new story. There's a new person behind the lock. They'll hand you a lock, they got a problem. It's not working. It's a little puzzle that you have to figure out. So I like the mechanics, but there's always a story or always a person behind the problem. Joe Cocker sang a song, I'll get by with a little help from my friends. That would be my theme song, a little help from my friends.